For each problem, we're going to write a system of linear inequalities that describe the situation. I'm going to use my calculator to graph the inequalities. And then I'm going to choose two possible solutions to the problem. Now, could everyone choose different solutions and still be right? Yes, more than likely. All right, so let's start with number one. Number one says you can work at most 20 hours next week. You need to earn at least $92 to cover your weekly expenses. Your dog walking job pays $7.50 per hour, and your job as a car wash attendant pays $6 per hour. So we're going to start by writing a system of linear inequalities that models this situation. So first I need two variables. What two variables would y'all like to use? So, well, it's hours at your dog walking job, and hours at the car wash job, right? So I need two unknowns.
D and W.
All right, D and C or D and W. I would say C for car wash. You got dog walking, car washes, both have W's. All right, so I'm going to do C for car wash, D for dog walking. All right, so my very first sentence says you can work at most 20 total hours, right? So D plus C is less than or equal to 20. 20 is the most amount of time you can spend working altogether in 1 week. All right, then my second equation says you need to earn at least $92. Well, how much money are you going to make dog walking? Per hour. So if I multiply that times D, the number of hours you walk dogs, that tells you how much money you made at the dog walking job, right? Plus $6 times C. So that's $6 times the number of hours you spent at the car wash job. Altogether, you want that to be more than or equal to 92. All right. Suppose you intend to spend no more than $60 buying books. Hardback books cost $12 and paperback books cost $5. You want to buy at least 10 books. So we're going to write a system of inequalities for this situation. So we want to spend no more than $60. So I need a variable for the number of hardback books and a variable for the number of paperback books. H and P? All right. Or X and Y, because we're going to change them to X and Y anyway, right? So what do y'all want to do, H and P or X and Y? X and Y, why not, right? So let's make hardback books X and paperback books Y. All right. So hardback books cost $12. So if I say 12 times X, that's the amount of money I've spent on hardback books, right? Plus 5 times Y is the amount of money I have spent on paperback books. No more than, that's going to be less than or equal to 60. I totally agree. All right, and it says you want to buy at least a total of 10 books. So if I say X plus Y, how is that going to compare to 10? Less than or equal to? Greater than or equal to?
Oh, yeah.
If it's at least, we can buy 10 or more books, right? All right.